Hardware Security Training Course, Securing Your Hardware. This is 2 days training presented by Tonex Training. A hardware vulnerability is an exploitable shortcoming in a PC framework that enables a digital attack through remote or physical access to system hardware. Why do you need hardware security? Hardware vulnerabilities are not by and large exploited through arbitrary hacking endeavors, yet more normally in targeted attacks of known high-esteem frameworks and associations. However, at whatever point code can be acquainted with a PC, this is inalienably a hardware vulnerability. For instance, when a client introduces programming, moves documents, for example, CD, DVD ROMs or attachments in flash drives, those things would all be able to be thought of as hardware vulnerabilities. Hardware Security Training Course by Tonex. This course acquaints you with an assortment of cryptographic processor and handling overhead, side channel assaults, truly unclonable capacities, hardware-based genuine arbitrary number generator, watermaking of IPS, FPGA security, inactive and dynamic metering, and hardware-based secure program execution. Members learn about counterfeit location, crimes, recognition measures, and physical investigation in hardware security. This course gives you the adequate information to distinguish the hardware dangers, strategies for hardware metering, unclonable identifiers, and consummation theft of coordinated circuits, (CICs). Training outline: Hardware security and cryptography. Basics of VLSI. Counterfeit detection. Hardware metering. Fault injection attacks in hardware. Physical hardware attacks. Side channel attacks. Secure hardware design for FPGAs. Embedded system security. Security of radio frequency identification, RFID. Hardware Trojans and workshops. Request more information, browse Tonex online courses. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.